In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own whiteboard animation video with Powtoon. So Powtoon is a platform that offers you a selection of tools to create whether it's your video or presentation, custom character, animated video, and many more. As you can see, if you go to Powtoon website and you click on create, you can see that they offer selections of tools that you can use if you ever want to create some videos. Now, in order to create your own videos on Powtoon, you will have to log in if you already have an account, or if you haven't, you can just go ahead and click sign up. You can sign up to Powtoon with several options, such as with Google, with Facebook, or if you click on the more option down there, it will show you other things that you could do to sign up to Powtoon. For example, you can sign up with your Microsoft Office account or with your LinkedIn account. So go ahead and choose one of these accounts to sign up, or you can also just sign up manually by entering your email address to the text box over there. Once you've signed up, Powtoon are going to ask you some question, and you can just go ahead and answer it according to how you like it. And once you're done, Powtoon are going to take you to your main dashboard. And over here, you can see that there are templates that you can use. And these templates vary from marketing strategy video, sales video, customer communication, and also animations video. You can click this box over here to see the categories of videos that Powtoon have, so that it's going to make it easier for you if you have any specific categories you would like to use in mind. But for today, we're going to focus on creating a whiteboard animations video. Once you've clicked on the whiteboard button, Powtoon are going to take you to the template selections that are focused on whiteboard animations only. And some of these templates are not free, so if you want to try to search only for the free templates, you can go ahead and filter it, click on the free templates, and Powtoons are going to show you the templates that you can use if you're using free account. You can also click on the videos that you found interesting to see the preview, to see what frame does these templates have. And if you like it, you can go ahead and click Edit in Studio button, but if you don't like it, you can just go back and take a look around the templates that were provided. I ended up liking this template, so I'm just going to go ahead and edit it. Now, each one of these templates are totally customizable. You can just click on which frame you would like to edit. You can also set and change the ratio of each template if it's necessary. This square button on top of your frame. You can change your ratio, either it's to square or vertical or horizontal. Since Powtoon is not going to adjust the wordings and also your character into the frame that you just changed, you can just go ahead and manually adjust it. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the vertical ratio instead. You can see that the templates that I've chosen give me a character, some wordings, and also purple color as my background. You can see over here that you can actually change the background colors by either uploading your background pictures, or you can also pick a solid color by clicking on the Pick a Background Color button under the Upload button. And over here, they already have color pickers for you. And today I'm going to choose white because I want this animation to be as close to the whiteboard theme as possible. Powtoon also have several footage, pictures, and video that you can use for your video background. So you can just go ahead and click on My Media and then scroll down to see the selections of pictures and video. And to input those video as your background, you can just go ahead and click on your desired background, and then Powtoon is going to automatically insert it into your video. If you prefer to upload your background instead, here are some options that you can choose to upload your pictures, such as you can take pictures or you can record some videos directly from Powtoon. You can upload it, or you can use Fiverr. You can also import some media from Facebook, Instagram, Drive, and your gallery. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the colors of your text. So you can go ahead and click on the text you would like to change the colors, and then there will be a pop-up menus that shows the colors of your text right now. You can go ahead and click on that, and then a selections of colors are going to show up, and so you can just go ahead and choose from the provided colors. You also have the options to change your font and the size of it, the opacity of it, and so on through the pop-up menu that I've shown over here. And if you see a font that you like but you feels like you will use later, you can just go ahead and click on the star symbols on the right side of the font, and what it does is that it's going to save that particular font into your favorites so that you don't have to scroll around or type to search that font. You can just go to the favorite font sections instead. You can also set some effect for your text, and right here I'm showing you that I'm going to choose the writing effect. The writing effect itself has several hand that you can choose. To change the transitions effect of each frame, you can go ahead and click on these symbols. There are positions under every frame, and then it's going to show you selections of transitions effect that you can choose. You can put your cursor or your pointer to the effect to see how the transition will turn out if you put them in your frame, and if you want to use it, you can just go ahead and click it. If you would like to add more character to your frame, you can go ahead and click on these character symbols that are located on the menu on the right side of your screen. And there are different characters that you can use for your video, but if you see there is a gift box symbols on your character, it means that those characters are only available for premium account or paid account user only. You'll have to upgrade your account if you would want to use those characters. And for now, I'm just going to use the character that comes with my template. And as you see, these characters come with different form and postures. There are standing postures, thinking postures, and so on. And I'm going to choose the one that are pointing because I want to make her look like she's pointing to the text. And after I choose and put into my video, I can also adjust her positions. I can flip it around. I can also make it smaller or bigger with the dots that are on the edge of every square surrounding her. Every dots function the same, so if I ever want to enlarge or make it smaller, I can just choose from each dots and drag it around. I can also tilt the character by clicking on the arrow below her. Now I've got my character, but I feels like this frame is still a little bit too empty. So I'm going to go ahead and add up some props. To do that, you can click on the prop symbols under the character symbols on the right side of your screen on the same menu as the character was. You can find the props that you can use by either scrolling around, or you can also just type out the types of props that you'd like. They have quite a lot of free props that you can use, but again, if you see there is a gift box symbols on your props, it means that you can only use it if you have a paid account. You can also set the animations of each props by clicking on it and then choose the animations on the pop-up menu. After I'm satisfied with that frame, what I did off screen was adjust all of the background for my video. As you can see, my templates came with different colors background, but I said before that I would like this video to be as whiteboardy as possible. So I ended up changing all of my frames to white background, and now I'm working on my last frame. Since each frame comes with wordings, characters, and also props that have different animation, you can adjust the animation timing on the bar that I'm showing right now. You can see that under the bar there are some words and also numbers. The number shows that at that time there are two things that are moving at the same time. Meanwhile, if the tag doesn't show any numbers, it means that there are only one things that are moving at that time. For example, when I click on these number 2, it shows that there are two things that are animated at the same times. The My Ambition tags and also my character. To change or to adjust the animation timing, you can just go ahead and drag around on the bar down here. And if you would like to see how each animations work, you can just go ahead and click on the small play symbols over here. The big play symbol means that you're going to play the video from the very first frame. Meanwhile, the smaller play symbol means that you're just going to play the exact frame that you are working on. You can also add background music to your whiteboard animations video, and you can do that by clicking on the music symbols on the right side menu. The background music that you can put are either the free stock musics that Powtoon's already provided for you, or you can record your own song, you can also upload it, or you can also create some text-to-speech sound. But in order to create your text-to-speech, again, you will have to upgrade your account to the paid one. On free account, you can only use one background music for one video, so you cannot have different background music for different frames. And right here, I am just going to test out and see how each of my frame and my video overall looks like. Once I'm satisfied with my video, I can choose to present it as a presentation, or I can also export it in various format. I can share the link, I can download it as a GIF, I can download as an MP4, I can download it as an image, or I can also send it directly to YouTube, etc. And here's my final result. And that is how you can create your own whiteboard animations video with Powtoon. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.